welcome to the channel. We're going to show you some gluten-free and dairy-free recipes we've learned over the years to make some of your favorites at home a whole lot healthier, still packing a lot of flavor. If you're ready, let's get started. In this episode, we're going to show you our homemade stir fry that's gluten and dairy-free, made with all organic ingredients. We start off by dicing our pepper, mincing our carrots. We'll add some oil to our wok and start by sauteing our garlic. We'll add our crushed red pepper. Once that browns, we'll add our crushed cashews. We'll let those brown. Then next we'll add our minced carrots. We'll add some cayenne pepper. We add yellow curry powder. We'll add some turmeric. We'll add some garlic salt and some salt and pepper. We'll add our diced peppers. We add some chili oil. You can spice it to your liking. You'll find that at any of your Asian markets, and it is much different than chili paste. We'll finally dice our grilled chicken. We'll add that to our mix. We'll scramble our eggs. Once our eggs are scrambled, we'll add that to our stir fry. We've already pre-cooked and chilled our rice, so we'll add that to our stir fry. Mix those all together really well and allow to simmer for about 10 minutes. Once everything is mixed together and warmed up, you'll be ready to enjoy your stir fry. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestions or anything that you use to make it your own, please put those in the comments. Otherwise, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, keep focused on eating clean.